Hi everyone, in this session I'm going to show you how to create the purchase order using Excel copy paste option. Let's say you have a lot of items for which you need to create the PO, and selecting that items and filling the information one by one is a time consuming process. So in order to do that, you have to go to menu. Once you go to the menu, you will find purchase or procurement module. Go to purchase order and click on this purchase order. So once you click on this purchase order, system will open the purchase order transaction screen where you can see all the previously created purchase orders. Just click on create new. So once you click on create new, system will open purchase order creation form where you can select the supplier or even start searching it while typing it. So now respective vendor will come. Just select this vendor and the vendor information will be carried forward from the vendor list. Respective information can be selected or entered here. Then select the tax group of the items which you want to be. And then you have here Excel option on the table header. This is called as table header. In this table header, you have Excel option. Click on this. Now, once you click on this, system will say you that copy paste the data here, and the columns must be in this format, document number. As we are talking about the purchase order screen, here the document number will be item code, and the next column will be quantity. That is the quantity that you want to purchase, and the cost price. Here it's nothing but the unit cost price. So let's say the data is arranged in Excel. So you can see this is the data that is arranged in Excel. And now the data should be arranged in respective format. First is item code, second is quantity that you want to purchase, and the unit price. Make sure that quantity and unit price are not comma separated values. They should not be comma separated. Let's say this is 178.59. This should not have any comma values. This should be purely be number formatting only. Just put as number format. And item code should be existing as per system. Select this columns without the headers, copy it, Control C, and then go back to the ERP, and then just click here and press Control V, that is paste this. Then do nothing, just click update. Now you can see that the items are copied to the grid in the same way you pasted the same item codes, and then the same quantity and the unit price of it. Now this is the amount before value, tax value, and after value. So you can just click on add item. This vendor is a foreign vendor. So for that reason, it's saying that it's an invalid tax group because foreign vendor cannot be purchased with the tax. So now in that scenario, you have to select as NE. Then click on add. That's it. So now the PO is created. So this is the way you can create your PO by using bulk paste option. You can copy as many rows as you want, but we recommend you to do up to 100 rows, and then you can use multiple times. Let's say you can copy first time for the 100, then after pasting it, updating it, again, you can paste the 100 rows. So for the faster processing purpose. Thank you.